Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about the protective style challenge, as you can see from the title, and I'm super excited. This year I actually wasn't going to do it, but so many of you guys hit me up on Instagram. I was like, girl, where's the protective style challenge? When is it starting? What are you doing? So I had to bring it back, and you know what? I'm very glad that you guys reached out to me, because that made me so excited about starting the challenge, because I was like, to be fair, I don't think anybody cares. No one wants to do this stupid challenge, but so you guys do. Oh, and that makes me so excited. My hair right now is actually in a protective style, and it's super cute. So if the video is not up yet, it should be up very soon because it's filmed. Alright, so let's get into the challenge. The challenge is going to be super simple. Once again, I like to keep things simple because I know not everyone's lifestyle is the same, and we all like things a little bit differently. We like to handle our hair differently, so I don't want to restrict it too much, but the main rule is that your hair has to be in a protective style. Duh! The protective style challenge will last from November till May 2019, so 6 months. So your hair has to be in the protective style. There's going to be 2 routes. You can do a long-term protective style, so 1 month. You cannot go more than a month. Well, I mean, I guess you can. You can do whatever you want, but I would not advise you to hold on a style for more than a month, because by the time 31 days goes by, you should take out your braids. You should take care of your hair, because the main point of the challenge is to take care of your hair so that you see a ton of growth. It's not to put your hair away, ignore it, and then complain that your hair is breaking off. That's not the point of the challenge, girl. Okay? The first route could be a 1 month per protective style, so technically you would be doing 6 protective styles by the time the challenge is over. Or you can do short-term protective styles, so put your hair in twist for like 2 weeks, take it out, wash your hair, condition, deep condition, and then do it again. So your hair will be in short-term styles. Personally, I think I may alternate between the 2, so I would do a style for a month, depending on how I feel about having to deal with my hair in the winter. Then I can do another style right away, or I can just give my hair a 2-week break. So I'll do twist or something low maintenance, short-term protective style or whatever, and then go back into another month of protective styling. You cannot leave your ends out. This is the whole point of the challenge, is to protect your ends. No twist out, no braid out, no bend to knot out, no outs, no heat. That's very important. Heat is the devil when it comes to natural hair. I'm just gonna say it again. Heat is not your friend, okay? Don't listen to all these girls on Instagram putting heat on their hair every other day. Give them a few weeks and they will be bald, and that's not what you want. So we're not gonna do that. I haven't used heat in my hair ever since I big chopped, and I have to tell you, my hair is the healthiest that it's ever been. And I want to say that heat has a lot to do, not using heat, has a lot to do with it. It does. I will put all of the rules down below, but those are the main ones. You want to take care of your hair, you want to deep condition. If you do use oils, you want to oil your scalp. Personally, I'll be using my scalp treatment. I may get another one of these because I absolutely love this thing, and I get absolutely no dandruff, no itchy scalp. I get nothing when I use this. My scalp is happy, so I will probably be using this forever unless another company comes out with something better. So I will be taking care of my scalp this way. You want to take care of your hair, you want to take care of your ends. I am in the market for a good deep conditioner, so if you know one that you love and you've been using, proven to deep condition my hair, leave a comment below, let me know, let your girl know. And if I do find anything that I like throughout the challenge, of course I will share it with you. So the whole point of this challenge is for us to support each other, be a community, help each other out, use the hashtag 4seedsme so that we can connect and be friends and be happy and grow our hair together. That's the whole point. What else? I think that's about it. I feel like this video is going to be super short, hopefully. I say that all the time and then it's like 25 minutes. Check the description box out because I'll put all the information in there. This is meant to be interactive, so leave a comment. If you feel like you can't go on, we're like an AA meeting, we'll support one another. I do have a Facebook group. I'll put the information down below so we can turn the Facebook group into a little community. That's it. That's about it. So we're about to grow some hair. We're about to show them that 4C hair is beautiful. and we're gonna keep it moving. If you do want hair growth, that all starts from the inside, so make sure that you eat well, you drink lots of water. It will also help your skin out, and I'm all about beautiful skin, honestly, so we'll do that. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I thank you for watching my channel. I appreciate the support. Give me a thumbs up if you liked, and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget, I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers at the end of the year. It sounds so insane saying it now because I think I'm already like have fallen behind, but we can do it. We can get as close to it as we possibly can. So tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to join the challenge and also to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. So my makeup turned out so beautiful today, and I'm feeling myself. So my eyeliner is so even, love it. My foundation turned out beautifully, and I'm gonna show you what I use. So I use the Makeup Forever. It's this matte foundation. It stays on all day. Matte Velvet Skin is the name. I love it. I am a Y455, and it just gives me this beautiful dewy finish that I absolutely love. So I've been using this foundation like in the past 5 videos, really. So if you wonder what I've been using, that's it. My skin has been doing well. I have been getting quite a bit of facials, and I think that's been helping me. My plan is to incorporate monthly facials into my routine and see how it goes, because my problematic area honestly is my cheeks. So I literally break out here. I have enlarged pores here, and it's just so much texture on my cheeks, and I hate it so much. So I'm hoping that the facials help with that. My hair is braided right now, like I said, but it's a little wonky wonka. So let me fix it first before I share this with you. And if I've already fixed it and posted a video, I will link it here. I think that's it. I'm gonna get up out of here. It's literally midnight, I'm not gonna lie. It's 12:25. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I'm still up filming. I don't know why. I have work in like 8 hours. Not even. Oh my god, I have work in 7.5 hours. I need to go. Goodbye. I gotta